Hello friends, in this video we will solve an Olympiad task. We should find the sum of 220 fractions and we have uncommon denominators. The numerators of the fractions are 1 and the denominators are 2 consecutive numbers and they increase gradually one after the other. So here we have the denominator 1 times 2 and here it is 2 times 3, then 3 times 4 and so on until 2020 times 2021. Obviously, solving such a problem by calculator would take a lot of time and is not a very convenient way. But what should we do? If you have any idea, pause the video and write down your options in the comments below. And now, I'll show you one of the solutions. Of course, there must be a pattern or nuance that we must notice in order to find the optimal way to solve this problem. So for example, let's take this fraction, 1 divided by 2 times 3. So we can write this 1 using the numbers in the denominator part, since 2 and 3 are neighboring numbers. Now let's divide them to two separate fractions and let's simplify. Then we get 1/2 minus 1/3 and now it's getting interesting. See, 1 divided by 2 times 3 is the same as 1/2 minus 1/3. And let's see if it works with all other fractions. Let's take our last fraction, 1 divided by 2020 times 2021. Again, we represent the numbers as the difference of these two fractions. That is 2021 minus 2020 divided by their product. Absolutely same steps. And we really get what we predicted. Thus, we can come to the conclusion that this kind of fractions, like 1 divided by n times n plus 1, can be written in the form of 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. N is greater than 0. Well, if so, let's write down the problem using this method. 1/2 plus 1/2 minus 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 1/4 and so on. We can see that almost everything can be cancelled. See, minus 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 1/4 and there will be plus 1/4 somewhere and everything will be cancelled. So there will be only two fractions left, 1 and 1 over 2021. And it's not difficult to calculate 1 minus 1 over 2021. It will be 2020 over 2021. And this is, my friends, the answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. If you didn't understand some parts, just write in the comments below. I'll try to answer.